Mahadev betting app scam haunts former Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel. The CBI is raiding the former Chief Minister's Raipur and Bhilai residences in connection with the betting app scam. This after the ED Enforcement Directorate accused Baghel of money laundering in the case last year. Bhupesh Baghel says the probe agency arrived at his residence ahead of his scheduled visit to Delhi for a crucial Congress meeting. In 2024, the Enforcement Directorate claimed the betting app promoters paid over 500 crores to Bhupesh Baghel and a cash courier was delivered to Baghel in regular payments. This exchange allegedly happened before the Chhattisgarh elections and an accused claims Baghel used the money to fund the poll expenses, a charge that was denied by the former Chief Minister.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी की झुंझलाहट दिख रही है। इसके पहले ईडी को भेजा उन्होंने, सीबीआई ने इस एक मामले में उनके खिलाफ अदालत में मुकदमा दायर किया था जिसे अदालत ने चलने लायक नहीं समझा। अब झुंझलाहट में फिर से सीबीआई को भेजा गया है। भूपेश बघेल जी के निवास में, भिलाई निवास, रायपुर निवास में सीबीआई आई है। अभी तक ये स्पष्ट नहीं हुआ क्यों आई है, लेकिन ये तो साफ है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी के इशारे पे केंद्र सरकार के झुंझलाहट से ये सीबीआई आई है।
I'm going straight across to Munish for more details on that story. Munish, take us through the details of the raids at this point in time that is being carried out. Of course, the former Chief Minister continues to cry political vendetta.
Well, Sneha, this is double trouble for the former Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel, because remember earlier Enforcement Directorate was conducting a money laundering investigation, and during the investigation ED claimed that this crime is worth more than 2,000 crore rupees. Now the Central Bureau of Investigation has stepped in, which means that the Central Bureau of Investigation has lodged an FIR in this case. This means that this is a criminal case in which the ED is conducting searches. At this point of time, there are multiple locations which are being searched by the Central Bureau of Investigation. Of course, the premises linked to Bhupesh Baghel, those premises are being searched. Also, a close aide of Bhupesh Baghel is also being raided by the Central Bureau of Investigation. And one senior IPS officer is also under the scanner of Central Bureau of Investigation. So this is a multi-location raid which is conducted by the Central Bureau of Investigation. But Sneha, what is important here is to point out is that when Enforcement Directorate was conducting their investigation, just before the state elections, ED claimed that they have found evidence to link this scam to Bhupesh Baghel and close aides of Bhupesh Baghel. But, after that, the Central Bureau of Investigation started preliminary investigation. And during the preliminary investigation, they found evidence that indeed Mr. Bhupesh Baghel was not only aware of this scam, but also somehow he was involved in this scam. What exactly is the nature of the evidence, that is yet to be cleared by the Central Bureau of Investigation. But it seems trouble mounting for Bhupesh Baghel, who is time and again claiming that this is nothing but political vendetta.
Right, Munish, I'm going to thank you for the moment. Getting in those details is my colleague Munish Pandey. Bhupesh Baghel was to travel to Delhi for a meeting of the Congress party. He says the timing of the raids are also suspect, is what the former Chief Minister has said.